Hi, let's make the unboxing of this dual bay docking station that is used to copy hard drives, right? So let's get started. I learned about this brand this year when I got some docking station from them, and they work fine. Says that it's plug and play, no drive required. That to me sounds good, because in my company computer I am not administrator. They do not grant me that right. So I'm very interested in that feature. And let's see, this is how it looks like. Two bays, and in the back we have USB-C. I don't know what is this for. I will read the manual. The power supply and on-off switch. What else is in the box? We have USB-C cable, and we have the power adapter, right? In my case, because I'm in America, the regular American power. So it seems like you have everything you need here in the box. So let's give it a try and see how it performs.